my man said he ain't never been in a lowrider before, so he thought he'd let him see what it do.
This nigga finna try to kill me. Why? No. I know I'm gonna brace up. Let's hit it. God
Did you hit your head?
I braced myself. God damn. Damn, that's what it feels like, right?
You thought get that in your life one time.
That shit like Red American Idiot. Oh, but I appreciate you, right?
Like I said at Money's Car Stereo, you never know what might show up. Lipstick red up in here, under the hood.
Google it.
Yeah.
Oh, for you want the manual brake?
Yeah. I mean,
For the cam?
yeah. Okay, because I wanted a clean look too. Oh, okay. What kind of what kind of tubular suspension did you use?
Huh?
What kind of tubular suspension did you use?
That's the QA1.
QA1?
Yeah.
Okay. So you got the vintage air in here too?
Yeah.
Okay. Power steering. And this is 383?
396.
Oh, 396.
Yeah.
Okay. And you got that the side check in there. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the instant go. So you step on, no.
I mean, it's still learning. It's go because it's brand new.
Oh, okay.
It's still learning.
Baby, I had to put foot in it to see what it's gonna do.
What?
I like the hood hinge.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, the hinges. I like the hood hinge.
Ring Brothers.
They were like 500 though.
Ring Brothers. They were great.
Yeah, that's real.
I
I've been
like.
babysitting for a long time. I've been building one for 5 years. Still ain't got it.
Nice. What size transmission?
400 R.
700 R4.
Okay.
Oh, that's that.
Nice.
I gotta put a screwdriver on this.
It's cool, man. You're starting. Get screwdriver again. Screwdriver, the tools over there. Yeah.
Let me see what you can get to the house.
What's the Allen?
Allen's over there. Knock yourself out.
Yeah, I talked to you about my bike.
Oh, okay.
That's real good.
I'm gonna bring it to you, man.
All right, let me know. We got you.
I'm finna give him a taste of what that
Yeah, I haven't heard it yet.
Oh, you ever heard of the new
When we
now?
get back to the
fire
house.
it up when I get back.
Got another one, and he was telling me about the way the bags don't disconnect. So I was like, okay. Master lock session in full effect. And so as you can see, he's running with the Fosgate / Polk Audio up top here. It was all in the same bag, which really, matter of fact, I have 2 bikes like this now here of the same scenario. So as you see, we have to pull this off, and you see right now I don't want to come off. So pop the side panel, to get to that, to get to this. So 1, let me see, down, 2, 3. So that's what we got to go through to get the bag off the bike. Like I said, he wasn't happy with it. We're gonna replace these right here, upgrade his fronts, switch him up to my style. Pretty much 2.0 style. Yeah, 4 highs. Yeah, and yeah, he got the Alpine deck. So yeah, we're gonna work it out. Gotta go. Hey y'all, it's Rob the Money's Car Stereo. Man, how was you sounding before you showed up, man?
Man, you know, I had some music, but you know, I got music now.
You got some music now. And so at the end of my presentations, y'all, it always comes with this right here, man. That's from me to you, man. Let the world see what you see, man.
Much appreciated. Got me sounding good. Can't wait to get on the highway. But yeah, we sporting this.
Oh yeah, let me see the back of that, man.
We sporting this.
Bam, you see where we at, y'all. Money's Car Stereo, making it happen, one job at a time, y'all. And we out of there on that. Hey, see him on the freeway. See me now, see me later. That's all I got to say.
You heard?
You heard. Hey y'all, live and direct at Money's Car Stereo. I'm talking to my people's Agnes. Agnes, who does the music in your cars and maintains your stuff?
Mr. Rob.
Open that shirt. You never got one of these, so open it up. You can see what they can see what you see.
Oh, yeah. Suck it. Oh, yeah, I can wear this.
Yeah, see? Yeah, let me see what the back say there, young lady.
Yeah, shoot. He the best man for the job.
See, I
Best
told you.
man for the job.
See, there you go. I'm maintaining the 5.0 in the background, y'all. We
That's
maintain the PT Cruiser.
That's right.
The Cadillac sometimes. You still got the Caddy?
No, it's gone.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that now.
now.
Oh, yeah. So I don't do cars much at y'all, but if I've been doing your car for a while, I'm going to maintain it for you. But the new stuff, we focusing more on the motorcycles. So I'm letting y'all see what I see. Young lady, when you're ready, let me know. We're going to upgrade you, okay?
Right on, yes, sir. I sure appreciate the big money, Rob.
You said you wanted to hear one of your songs because you said you want to get that 3.0 experience.
Yeah.
So now you're saying you want to be able to hear that, so you got something to drive towards.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. We solid.
Y'all heard that.
It's the truth.
It's the truth. That's what he's saying.
It's the truth.
Come get y'all 3.0 experience. Money's Car Stereo.
It's the truth.
And that's what he said. It's the truth.
It's the truth.
Hey, I ain't got to sell it to you. This shit sells itself. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
We out of here.
It's true.